Professor Dave again. Let's get negative.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
You may remember when your English teacher repeatedly told you that only one negative is allowed in an English sentence. If your reply was, "That don't make no sense," then you weren't listening. But either way, this is your chance for revenge, because the Italian language actually requires double negatives. In certain cases, you may see a triple or even a quadruple negative in one sentence. Some clauses, however, will use just one negative. These are sentences stating simply not, or ones starting with the word nessuno or niente, which mean no one and nothing. Io mangio la carne. Io non mangio la carne. Giorgio fa queste cose. Nessuno fa queste cose. Tutto va bene. Niente va bene. But with these examples aside, it's time to enter the wonderful world of multiple negatives. Take a look at this list and see that we will always need the word non, and then these spaces are where a verb will go, and then there is another word. Let's see these in context for more clarity. Non vedo nessuno. Non ho mangiato niente. Non guardo mai la televisione. Non suono più il pianoforte. Non ha toccato nemmeno il dolce. Non sono affatto stanco. Non c'è neanche un pochino di latte. Andare a letto? No, non ho mica sonno. This is a cute colloquial expression that is fun to use. The word mica is a Latin word meaning crumb. So if you say something like, non ho mica fame, you are literally saying, I don't even have a crumb of hunger, which means I am not at all hungry. Mi dispiace, ma io non mangio mai né carne né pesce. This one has 4 negatives in one sentence. Just a few more now. Chi ha telefonato? Non ha telefonato nessuno. Hai $5 da prestarmi? No, non ho neppure un centesimo. Ma che cosa dici? Non sono mica stupido. Perché l'hai detto alla mamma? Io non ho mai detto niente a nessuno. Let's mention one last thing. Italian has a negative adjective, and it's nessuno, which is different from the pronoun nessuno. This word literally means not even one, and it has different forms which follow the indefinite article. But there are no plurals, because the indefinite article doesn't have any plurals. So let's see this put to use. In questa città io non ho nessun amico, ma lei non ha nessuna amica. Non vedo nessuna chiave sul tavolo. Non capisco. Oggi nessuno studente è preparato. Now that we've got our double negatives down, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.